Hello, welcome, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. If you are building an online, soul-led, heart-driven business, then this live is for you. A lot of the times I find over and over again, I get asked the same question, Michelle, where do I put my energy to? Where do I put my focus to? What strategy should I use? So today I really want to talk about the three things that every online soul-led business should be putting their focus and energy to. And often it's really simple and it's very basic, but we tend to get pulled away with so many beautiful, nice, shiny objects. Drop a yes in the comment if you can relate that you have, or drop a SOS. I like to say SOS, shiny object syndrome. And it's called SOS, like save me from the shiny object syndrome. Well, that's what I'm going to talk to you about today, because here's what I know. When you are building a business from the soul, right? This is your heart, your purpose, your heart base, everything. It's about you. It's about bringing all the different parts of you. And a lot of the times I find, and I see it out there, is like, how do you bring the strategy into the soul? And you're in luck, because this is something that I've rejected a while with myself, but I feel like I'm the bridge between the soul and the strategy, really helping you to bring the two together. So I'm freaking owning that now. It's been a while, but here it is. So I've put a nice little board up, and I'm going to take you through the three areas to focus on. This is where you put your energy and your focus on when it comes to building an online soul business. So the first thing, right, is, and you might not like the word and you might not like the feel of it, but at the end of the day, it's leads. Leads. It's about bringing people to you. It's about people finding you, right? The traffic, the online traffic. There's so many different words to say, but this is how, like, our people need to find us. So that is number one. You need to be focusing on, how are people going to be finding you? How are you going to bring leads into your online business? And then the second one, and I know you're going to love this one, is all about building relationships. So now it's about connecting, right? It's now they're in your world, they found you. Now give them some love. And I know that you soul-led entrepreneurs, this comes easily for you, right? So this is what we need to do, another space to focus on. And then the last one is to sell. Or what we like to say, serve, right? Be of service. Bring your goodness and your yumminess, right? And what I find a lot of the times, we get stuck here, right? In the relationship, in the giving, in the connection. But we need to be moving people from here to here, and we need to be moving people from here to here, right? So this is about bringing the soul and strategy together. If you are focusing on other things, or maybe you're putting way too much time in here and not enough time in here, then you're always going to have the same dilemma: not enough clients, right? And I see this time and time again. And that's likely you're probably spending way too much time in one area or another, or you're not doing any of the things, right? But when it comes to bridging the soul and the strategy, you want to be able to do it in a way that feels really good to you, that feels in alignment for you. Well, you're in luck because I will be hosting a 4-day workshop on this very thing. Together, we're going to declutter your business and help you create a really soul-aligned, profitable business blueprint, right? That takes you out of sitting in a spin of confusion to clear, confident, aligned, and on purpose, right? So you know exactly where to put your energy and focus. And this is all about bringing the soul and the strategy together, the systems and the structure that we might resist, but I'm going to show you how you can bring it and make it beautiful. So if you're done with sitting in the spin and you know what and how to and want to know how do I really catapult my business to bring me those clients on repeat, then I want to invite you to send me a DM with the word workshop and I will send you a link. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is so yummy. So over 4 days, we are going to integrate the soul, which I didn't talk about, with the strategy. And I'll show you how easy and effortless your business can be. All right, make sure you send me a DM with the words workshop if you want the link. And we start when we start 20th of September. All right, I'll see you then. Bye for now.